Welcome to this Zoom tutorial on how to create and manage polls. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a poll, launch a poll, and share poll results in your meeting. Log into your Zoom account on your internet browser. Ensure in your account settings that you have polls enabled. Click the Meetings tab. Select the meeting you wish to create a poll for. If you don't have a meeting created yet, you'll have to schedule one. Scroll down to the bottom of the page to the section that says, "You have not created any poll yet." Then click Add. Enter a title for the poll so you can easily distinguish it from other polls that you may wish to create. Select if you want the polls to be anonymous. Enter your question for the poll. Now, enter the responses you want your participants to select. If you want to add another question, click Add a Question. Then repeat the same steps as the first question. When you are done entering your questions and responses, click Save. When you are in your meeting and want to launch a poll, click the poll icon on the bottom of your Zoom window, or the poll icon may be at the top of your Zoom window if you are sharing your screen. Select the poll you wish to launch and then click Launch Poll. The participants can now respond to your poll. When the participants are done, click End Poll. If you wish to share the results of the poll with your participants, click Share Results. To stop sharing, you can click Stop Sharing. That's it. Now you know how to create a poll, launch a poll, and share poll results in Zoom.